Water-damaged iPhone? Here's how to fix it in 3 easy steps. Oops! Accidentally dropped your iPhone in water? Don't panic. Water damage can be a major headache, but if you act quickly, you may be able to save your device. In this video, we'll walk you through 3 simple steps to fix a water-damaged iPhone. Step 1. Power off and dry. The first thing you need to do is power off your iPhone immediately. Water and electricity don't mix well, so it's crucial to prevent any short circuits. Take a clean cloth or towel and gently wipe off any visible moisture from the device. Pay special attention to the charging port and headphone jack. Step 2. Rice bath. Now it's time for the rice bath. Grab a sealable plastic bag and fill it with uncooked rice. Place your iPhone inside the bag and completely submerge it in the rice. Seal the bag and leave it alone for at least 48 hours. The rice will act as a natural desiccant, absorbing the moisture from your device. Step 3. Test and recover. After the waiting period, carefully remove your iPhone from the rice. Give it a quick wipe to remove any rice particles. Now, it's time to test if your iPhone is working. Connect it to a charger and see if it responds. If all goes well, your iPhone should power on. However, if you notice any glitches or issues, it's recommended to seek professional help. Remember, water damage isn't always fixable, and attempting these steps may not guarantee success. But these easy steps have been known to work for many users who act swiftly after experiencing water damage. That wraps up our guide on how to fix a water-damaged iPhone in 3 simple steps. Want to learn more? Visit our website,